Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to do probability for beginners. Now, when you're dealing with probability at the introductory level, you want to think about this fraction. All desired outcomes over all possible outcomes, or the number of desired outcomes over all possible outcomes. So using this fraction, let's think about a coin toss. So when you flip a coin, you can either get heads or tails. So our denominator of all possible outcomes would be 2, heads or tails, that's 2. Now let's say we flip the coin and we want to land a tails. Well, that is 1 chance out of 2, so it's 1/2. The probability of flipping a coin and getting tails is 1/2. Now, this can also be expressed as 0.5 or 50% in probability. When you're dealing with probability, the minimum probability that you can get is 0. So the minimum is 0. Think about it this way. If you have heads or tails as your all possible outcomes, and you want to flip and land neither heads nor tails, well, there's 0 chance because you're either going to get heads or tails. So it's 0 out of 2, or 0%, or 0. Now the maximum probability is 1. So say you're flipping the coin and you want to land either heads or tails. Well, you have 2 chances, because you can get either one, out of 2. So it would be 1 or 100%. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned basic steps in how to learn probability for beginners. Thanks a lot.